guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a grocery haul that we did for the week, and I'm also going to show you guys a kofta recipe using some of the ingredients that we got in our haul. If you guys don't know what kofta is, it is usually made from lamb and beef, and it is a Mediterranean or Middle Eastern dish. I'm not sure. Please don't come at me. But I used to eat this all the time at different restaurants, so I'm super stoked to find a recipe and to share with you guys a vegan version of that. So if you want to see the haul and if you want to know how to make this delicious and healthy dish, then keep on watching. First, we have Gardein meatballs. Then we have Gardein's 7-grain crispy tenders, and they literally taste like chicken tenders. They're so good. We also picked up Impossible meat, and this is now readily available at your local Kroger grocery store. So try it out if you haven't yet. Next up, we have the Chobani Oat Plain Extra Creamy Oat Milk. Then we picked up Tofurky's plant-based chicken in a lightly seasoned flavor. Some frozen corn, because it's always useful, as well as some frozen peas. Easy to put in fried rice or your stir fries or anything like that, so always good to have on hand. Daya provolone cheese, because we are doing DIY pizzas this week, so I just thought we'd get some meltable cheese. And we're just trying out this new seltzer water in orange vanilla, and it tastes like creamsicle. So good. Always got to have some corn tortillas on hand because you never know when you need an emergency taco. Some flour tortillas because my husband loves making burritos for lunch with chorizo. Don't ask me why, but I was craving rice cakes this week. Bread because duh. We also got some peppercorn poppy crackers, and never had them before, but they're actually super good. Picked up a bag of mini sweet peppers. We love these. They're super easy to snack on, and you can throw them in a lot of dishes just to add vegetables. Whole white mushrooms because we're making pizza. A jar of baby dill pickles. We are a huge pickle family. Generic branded ketchup for that high fructose corn syrup, and it's also very delicious. A lot of parsley, which I'm gonna use in the kofta recipe that you guys will see in a little bit. We always pick up bananas, and we also got some nectarines, some apples, and lemons. For this recipe, you will need Impossible burger, parsley, lemon, olive oil, cucumbers, red onion, and grape tomatoes, millet, romaine lettuce, and some spices, and I'll have that listed below. We're going to start off with putting the Impossible burger in a mixing bowl, and then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of the spice mixture. Add half a cup of parsley, and we're going to go ahead and mix that all together. So I totally forgot to season the meat, so I'm gonna do some salt, MSG, and some pepper. Mix again until well combined. Next, we are going to shape it into sausage shapes. Taking a moment to appreciate my amazing camera skills. Yay! This is the shape that we're going for. Put the kebabs in a 400-degree oven and let it go for 15 minutes. While we wait for that to cook, we're gonna get started on the salad. Add the parsley to the romaine lettuce. Then add the olive oil. Add the cucumber, red onion, peppers, and tomatoes. Squeeze in about half a lemon. You know the drill, salt, pepper, MSG. And just like that, we have a beautiful, delicious, healthy salad. Your kebabs now should be nice and browned and crispy. To a dish, I added the millet, the kofta kebabs, and the salad. And here's the finished product. Y'all, it was so good. I highly recommend you give it a go. Hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and let me know if you make it. I would love to hear if you did. But thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you want to, because it's your body, you do what you want. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.